What's the most thing a guest ever did in your home? My husband's best friend asked us if his family can rent our house by the beach in California. Since they are close friends, we allowed them to stay there for 3 days, but they insisted on extending their stay by 7 more days. My husband, who can't possibly say no to anyone, agreed. I asked my husband to call him after 7 days and instructed him to Venmo us the agreed rental fee. We tried calling them many times, but nobody answered our calls. They paid $700 and told us he hired a cleaner to clean our house, so we don't have to bother checking the house. After 2 months, I got a high utility bill from our home in California and felt something was off, so I asked my brother to check our home. To our surprise, somebody was living in our home. My brother called the police and the guy said he is renting the house, thinking my husband's friend rented our place to someone else. Turns out it was his friend who moved in. The police couldn't do anything because he showed a lease agreement and even forged my husband's signature. We had no choice but to take them to court. In California, squatters have rights, so this took us years to resolve it, on top of the COVID tenant protection law that pushed our legal battle for 2 more years, which means they stayed there for 5 years for free.